Alright now people, this right here is a spider injector. What we're doing is cleaning it off, cleaning the injectors right here, fuel injectors. You want to make sure that all the grime is out. You know, it was real clogged up and bad. I'll show you a video of the next one that I'm getting ready to pull out of a different truck whenever that's done. Yeah, you want to just clean it up. That ain't shit there, but the lines, stuff like that, it's good to blow those out. So you won't be able to get all of it out. You have to end up replacing the tube assembly or some shit. But anyway, that's how you do it. I'll get back to you.